morning, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Monday, August 10th. Hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. Today we start the a nice full week of trading, and where do we go from here? Well, did a lot of analysis, looking at a lot of indicators. A lot of the indicators are actually really not doing too well. Markets are obviously holding in. We did have sell-off for several days now. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for a market to pop. We're down about 8 days in the Dow Jones. There's a lot of key areas where we are in the spiders, which you see in front of you, made a nice hammer and held that 200-day moving average. So I would suspect, if anything, light volume Monday, we start to grind higher, and I do think that we start to bounce at least for several days, maybe some chop, but I do think that we bounce a little bit. Reclaiming a lot of the sell-off, and then maybe even move higher, like we're anticipating for a market to kind of sell off and at least start to pull back sometime September or October. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a market to gain some momentum. Some of the stocks that have been beaten down, looking to look for some sort of a dead cat bounce like Apple, Tesla. Those are the good ones that I'm looking for. Wynn, Casino, WYNN. Looking pretty good here, looking healthy for a nice bounce play off that 100 level. And then we'll see where we go. So let's take a look at some of these indexes here. Again, coming into a good support area, nice hammer candle. So we take out Friday's high, I'd be looking for at least to challenge this upper end of the range again, where we've been in for the last 5-6 trading months. Again, very, very common that we see a lot of this consolidation up at these upper end of the ranges. Now, nobody wants to see that, but we've been there before, and now we just need the markets to really say, are we going to break higher here? Are we taking out this range, or are we going to start to break down? I think that we'll probably challenge the highs, maybe make new highs, and then get everybody long, and that's when that market will start to sell off again. And remember, look for that investor survey number, the AAII number. Remember, we turned bearish versus bullish the last week, so we want to take a look at that. May just help us bounce and fuel that little capitulatory pop to put a high in, and then start to sell off again. Again, come in that September, October area, okay? But right now, for this week, short term, we're looking for a bounce here, so I'll be looking to buy any support area as long as we take out this high from Friday, okay, at 208.28. Same thing with the Russell. Now, the Russell here is doing worse than the spiders. Obviously, it broke below the 200-day moving average and is very weak. And as you can see here, making lower lows and lower highs, so we do have bearish symmetry. Not a good thing. This is our secondary leader here. Good gauge of risk. If you were to look at the high-yield bond market, you could look at the JNK ETF. It's breaking down, making new lows. That is not a good thing, guys. That's something that will tell me that if that JNK cannot rebound, then I will be looking for some sort of a decent sell-off again come September, October, because that's not a good sign. And also the IWM is a good gauge of risk, right? Risk on, risk off, that investor sentiment, how it feels. Well, this is not good when you have the IWM, the Russell 2000 index, breaking below the 200. Now, will it bounce for today? I'm sure we'll probably get back above the 200, but we'll see. Let's see what happens here, but this is not a good sign that our secondary leader is selling off. Again, look at the diamonds, the Dow Jones, well below the 200-day moving average. Again, but putting in some sort of a long-legged doji here. Outside of that Bollinger Band, I would suspect some sort of a bounce play, at least into that 200. And then we'll see. If we fail, then we're going to be looking to short into that weak bounce. Transports, not good. You could see we tagged that 200. That's where we thought we were going to get that target, and it did. Now we're back testing this downtrend, so it's going to need to hold here today. All right, if we can get this transports to hold, this is our leader here, guys. If this does not hold and starts to break down again, then that's going to just add more fuel to the fire for that market sell-off, okay? And then lastly here is the Qs. Again, as you can see, the only one above the 200, well above the 200, and at the 50 right now. So doing better than all the other 4 indices that we follow. So that's a good sign. Let's see what happens here. Remember, guys, in August we had a very light volume, so that means that these moves will be extreme. I would not be looking to short the market, at least not at this time. As far as building positions, obviously day trading short is okay, but give it a little time. Let's see where this market is headed. It's all over the place during the course of the trading day. The people that are not in front of the screen. So just take it one step at a time. Be patient and be selective in your trades right now. At least get through August, and then let's see when we get back. A lot of the bigger players come back from vacation in September. Let's see where we'll be headed. Again, for today, looking to buy pullbacks. At least for the start of trading for this morning. Have a great day, everybody. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Take care.